Hello beautiful soul, welcome to Infinite Manifestations. Since the beginnings of numerology in ancient Greece or even earlier, the numbers 11, 22, and 33 have been revered as master numbers, commanding an extra strong presence in the universe. People who have these super digits in their numerology charts are more likely to become high decibel movers and shakers, spiritual leaders, or community influencers. Even if you were not born with a master number, numerologists believe that channeling the meaning of one or more of these powerful integers can inspire and elevate your life. You may have noticed that the master numbers all have 2 digits, and this is where their power lies. According to numerology, each base number, from 1 to 9, emits its own vibration, such as love, prosperity, and protection. Master number 11 is known as the Master Intuitive. 11 is a sign of tremendous power, both mental and physical, and people who embody it frequently exhibit enhanced intuition, natural intelligence, and spiritual insight. Those with the master number 11 are thought to be old souls with the ability to understand others on a deep, empathetic level, doubling down on the independent, ambitious nature of the number 1. 11s are intelligent and intuitive, but they are also balanced and excellent communicators. Master number 22 is known as the Master Builder, the most powerful number of all. 22 appears frequently in the charts of doers, leaders, and visionary builders. Individuals with the intuition of the number 11 but a more disciplined approach to action are capable of turning wild dreams into solid accomplishments. The number 22's special mission is to serve humanity in a practical and progressive manner. Master number 33 is known as the Master Teacher. 33 represents someone who is altruistic, humanitarian, and dedicated to raising awareness. Personal ambition takes a backseat to the greater good. However, make no mistake, these people are in charge. 33s are on a mission to raise global awareness and bring peace and harmony to all. Having one master number is already rare, but having multiple master numbers in your numerology chart is super rare and extremely beneficial and challenging at the same time. Multiple master numbers in your numerology chart means you have more choices and more potential inherent in the energy represented by your chart. People who have multiple master numbers may feel extra special. Others are overwhelmed by what they perceive to be additional responsibility. If you want to learn more about numerology, spiritual growth, and personal development, please don't forget to subscribe, because it will help this channel enormously, and you will get deeper, hidden, and meaningful information about each topic. There is no inherent judgment in any of your decisions about whether or not to use the master number energy. Your life is not run by numerology. It neither forces nor prevents you from doing anything. Your numerology chart represents numerology energy, which can influence your tendencies and likelihoods. However, nothing is predetermined. It is entirely up to you what you do or do not do with the energy. That said, I want to focus on the shadow side of each master number, because many of you with master number 11, 22, or 33 are struggling right now. Usually, we do not reduce a master number to a single-digit number, but I believe you should at least consider the influences of those single-digit numbers, which are 2, 4, and 6. 11s frequently underestimate their own power and potential. They are so different from others that they may believe they are alone in their struggle. Sometimes they dream bigger than they believe they are capable of achieving, which leads to inaction. This master number's success is dependent on confidence. When an 11 realizes they have all the power they need to make their dreams a reality, they will be unstoppable. People with this life path number should be aware of their nervous systems and avoid allowing anxiety or depression to undermine their self-esteem. While 22s are visionaries who are knowledgeable, organized, and practical, they face unique challenges because 22 is a master number. When life path 22 is focused on something, those around them may struggle to grasp the full picture. However, instead of explaining their big ideas, they may end up attempting to control others in order to help them realize their prospects. Number 22s can also be rigid, focusing too much on their perception of how their vision should play out rather than allowing others to contribute to its creation. Instead of allowing their vision to control them, they must let go and allow others to use their own unique talents in the matter. Finally, despite their great potential, they may succumb to their innate fear of failure and instability. Making the world a better place requires a lot of perseverance and patience. This can cause 33s to quickly burn out. People on this life path must remember to take breaks and pamper themselves every now and then. If you are a life path 33, remember that you do not have to fight all of the world's suffering, and you certainly do not have to do it every day. It's perfectly fine to take a break from saving the world. Master number 33s are also prone to perfectionism. So, if this is your life path number, remember that you are only human. As long as you are doing your best to live your life's purpose, you are doing the right thing. Now, when there is a master number 11 in play, so are all of the masculine number 1's characteristics doubled up, with the number 2 in support, ready to be called upon in times of need. That is why master number 11 is so powerful. It's a blend of masculine and feminine energies. If you are mostly experiencing the lower octave 2 experience, you will have internal frustration and the constant nagging feeling that what you are doing is always supporting everyone else and making them the lead or headline act of the show, while you rarely get the desired rewards or the limelight. If the higher octave is dominant, in the case of master number 22, the master builder, you will be in charge of large projects and teams of people who will assist you in getting the job done efficiently. If the lower octave number 4 experience dominates, you will feel unfulfilled, constrained, restricted, boxed in, and as if you are working extremely hard for very little gain. The number 4 prefers to go solo, whereas the number 22 prefers to work in cross-functional teams, large groups of people efficiently aligned toward a common objective, goal, or vision. So, if the master number 22 finds itself operating alone, whether by design or by chance, there is a real risk that it will experience the lower octave 4 outcome and end up not performing optimally or feeling satisfied. Master number 22 is the most powerful numerology master number in terms of earthbound productivity, so it must be busy with earthly things, producing, getting things done, and manifesting abundance for many. When the owner of master number 22 becomes greedy and self-absorbed, a massive karmic smack is guaranteed. And when the number 22 confronts its disrespectful owner, no holds are barred, and retribution is ruthless. Never disrespect what the number 22 stands for, and you are going to get hammered very hard. Relationships, responsibility, grace and gratitude, a strong sense of community, and so on are all emphasized by master number 33. Master number 33 is the number of spiritual giving, and it outperforms all other numbers in this role. It provides tremendous spiritual comfort to everyone around them. There are numerous facts about the number 33 in numerology which subscribes to their near-divine status. Namely, the first temple of Solomon stood for exactly 33 years. David ruled for 33 years. There are 33 segments in the spine. Jesus lived for 33 years. In the first chapter of Genesis, the name of God is mentioned 33 times, and the tree of life contains 22 paths, 10 globes, and the invisible Sephirah, Thoth, thus ensuring that there are in total 33 steps to wisdom. The master vibrations of 33 are such that as the Kundalini force ascends the 33 segments of the spine, it opens all of the chakras it encounters, causing a tingling sensation throughout the body. Owners of master number 33, who are few and far between, are the rare ones who are avid seekers of true enlightenment and are naturally interested in gaining a lot of knowledge that they intend to use for the betterment of humanity as a whole rather than just for a personal agenda. These people push their boundaries to explore the non-physical dimensions of life, which aids them in exploring places you are not familiar with. If you only remember one thing about master numbers, make it this: when you master the art of diplomatic delegation and learn how to enable effective teamwork, your master numbers will really shift into high gear. I have created several videos about master numbers. Watch them all and decide which one resonates the most with you and go from there. You don't have to be a pro in all areas at once. Start with one simple step at a time and you'll be fine. After mastering one area, you can move to the next master number. Let's start with simple things that can be adjusted straight away. A life that is devoid of clutter, busyness, and stress equals a simplified, happy, and organized life. Here are a couple of tips where to start. The simplest and the most effective way to minimize distraction is to declutter. The fewer material things you have, the less clutter you'll have mentally too. Let go of things that don't bring you joy. Items you no longer wear, need, use, or want should be discarded or donated. Begin with a simple, quick win to motivate you to keep going. For example, with your bathroom, wardrobe, or garage, forget the I should, I wish, I really want to statements and start doing. Some may believe that doing nothing is a bad thing, but scheduling some R&R can do wonders for your health. It is crucial to refresh your batteries, relax and take in the scenery, or after a stressful day, take some time to reset. If you are only ever able to remember one thing about the master number, let it be this: your master number will really shift into top gear when you master the art of diplomatic delegation and learn how to enable effective teamwork. Be open to receive, and I hope to see you in my future. If you like and gained any value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and smash the subscribe button.